Hey guys, this is David with Colton RV Marine. Behind me I have the brand new unveiling of the Grech Vacanza-ion. This unit does come in all three sizes, so the 19, the 22, and the 24 feet. Behind me is going to be the Vacanza 22, so it is going to be 22 feet, essentially mirroring the Grech Torino. So let's go ahead here and dive into this unit. All right guys, so you'll notice with the Vacanza, you notice that you're not, it still has the Grech iconic look, right? So you have the nice bumper, of course the side skirts, the iconic look of like almost looking like a limousine. So you're not losing that when you're getting into a Vacanza. So we walk this way. Now this unit is going to be actual all-wheel drive. You do notice it does have the nice Continental rims, or Continental tires, as well as the aluminum rims. Okay. So you notice again, because you're in a Grech, you have that iconic, sleek body line there with the nice blacked out windows, again almost like mimicking a limousine, which that's what Grech started off with. You'll notice it does have the stainless steel compartment for all your connections, and your black and gray tank there. You have your smart plug, outdoor shower, and your city water connection there. Now if we come this way, again it is on the Mercedes 3500 chassis, so you will notice it is going to be a dually in the back. Again, it is going to be 22 feet, so in comparison to the bigger model, the 24 feet, on the interior space, it's going to be actually the same as the 24 foot. The only difference being is between a 24 foot and the 22 is going to be the storage back here, which for some people, if you don't need it, you can save yourself about 15 inches in length. Okay, guys? So you notice the unit does come with the back camera standard. Okay. Now you will notice one difference between, like, let's say a Torino as well as the Vacanza is the shades, right? So in the Torino, it's going to be a power shade. In the Vacanza, it's going to be just a zipper. You unzip it, pop it down. If you want it back up again, you unzip it and you roll it up with these those connections up there. Okay. Now let's talk about the power system that Grech, of course, is iconic for. Gonna pop this open for you guys. Alrighty. So it is going to come with the, of course, the iconic lithium-ion battery system. It is going to be about half of what the Torino has, so it's about 10,000 watt hours of power. But still has the Victron 3000 watt inverter, combined, of course, to give you about 10 hours of AC runtime on a single charge. Now again, guys, you can, of course, run this coach in idle, charge the batteries. You can plug it in, drive it over 40. Those are just some ways you can charge the batteries back up. Right, guys. All right, so let's go around the campsite now. So, of course, like I mentioned a little bit earlier in the video, that the Vacanza, it's like the Torino, just there's some couple differences, but you still get a ton of things that Grech is known for, right? So that, of course, integrated Girard awning. It is going to be wind sensing, so it'll detect that vibration on a windy day. You don't have to worry about your awning getting ripped off, nothing like that. It'll retract inward, and then you guys are good to go. Okay, so follow me this way. So you will notice it does have the built-in power step there. Again, open that door, that step comes out, just for ease of getting in and out of the coach, to make your life, guys, as easy as possible. So follow me this way. I actually want to take a step, guys, into the cockpit just to show you some of the features that it comes with this Mercedes chassis. All right, guys, so here we have the Mercedes premium chassis. First thing I want to point out about this beautiful chassis is going to be actually this. So this is going to be your rearview mirror that's actually integrated with your backup camera. It's always on display. You could, of course, if you want to see what the kiddos or something doing in the back of the coach, you just hit that button, and there's your mirror, and then turn it back on. Again, while you're driving, that'll be on, so you can always see what's behind you. So if we just transition to down here, you do have, of course, your navigation, built-in navigation. This is going to be Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto compatible via Bluetooth. So you don't have to worry about plugging anything in. It'll just, as soon as you connect your phone, it'll pop up right on the screen. Radio has the Sirius XM and AM and FM radio. Now, one thing I do want to show you guys are just some of the safety features this unit has. So if we go to collision avoidance, as you can see, a bunch of different features that this coach comes with. So active brake assist, active lane keeping assist, blind spot assist. Let's see here. And then the rain sensor sensitivity. So this coach will be able to detect how much rain, how bad it's raining outside, and actually adjust the speed of your wipers to compensate, of course, the amount of rain that's coming down. Okay. All right. And then we can just kind of swing over here. So you will notice there's going to be these button clusters right here. You can actually control the entire coach with these clusters, so your hands can always be on the wheel. You can control everything here to make sure you guys are driving safely. you will notice on the left side of the steering column right over here, it does have actually a heated steering wheel as well. If we take our eyes here to the heated seats, as well as the memory seats. So of course it'll save, you know, 3 different settings. So 1, 2, and 3, depending on who's driving. And then of course these are your control panel for your actual seat. Okay guys? So we can actually work our way to the back of the coach. And one last little thing as we're talking about this, of course they do have the nice ultra leather seats. Super comfortable when you're driving just for those long road trips across the country. So I want to show you guys, start off actually right here. So this is going to be the Garmin control panel. This is actually brand new 2026. Again, like what I keep saying is, like, even though going to a Vacanza, you're still getting a lot of the things that make a Grech, right? So here's your main control panel here. So you have your control panels for your sofa and your ottomans, your water pump, tank heaters, you know, your main lights and everything, right? So there, that's your light page right there. This is your power, so it'll tell you how much amps your alternator has, your battery, your shore, and then the AC load, and then of course your inverter if you're charging or not charging. And then finally is your climate, so AC, you know, your furnace, and then just your fan. The Timberline is going to be for your heating system, okay? So that is going to be powered by diesel. It's one of the most efficient as well as most powerful heating systems you can actually put inside of these vans, and Grech essentially elected to have it in here, okay? So I want to just turn our attention here. So because this is going to be considered a tour floor plan for the Vacanza, so instead of a lounge floor plan, which is going to have the 4 captain chairs in the front, this is the tour, which is going to give you a massive wardrobe. Again, if it's just going to be, you know, you and one other person, of course, storage is going to be key in a 22-foot coach. So you opt out for the seats and you get the nice wardrobe, storage, hang all your clothes, that kind of stuff. Also, in the tour floor plan, you guys are going to get a full fridge, okay? So I'll show you how big this is. Again, keep in mind we're in a 22-foot RV, right? So full fridge as well. If we look down here, full freezer. And that is going to be just run off of electric. Again, your battery system is going to power that, okay? All right, so if we walk this way. So again, you'll notice nice solid surface countertops. Here's going to be your sink here, guys. Okay. And then if we look below, tons of storage, right? Basically, wherever they can put storage, they put storage, right? So there's that. And then again, guys, axle hardwood cabinetry, which is, you know, huge nowadays. Let's see here. And then over top, you have really nice overhead storage, just for everything you guys are bringing on your camping trips. Okay. And you will notice one thing that is probably missing on this countertop compared to all the other Grech footage you guys have probably seen is the cooktop. So this coach doesn't have the tabletop cooktop. What they do is they give you a portable 1-burner induction cooktop that you'd plug into the outlets up here, or guys, you could even take it outside and cook out there. Okay, and that was actually located in that back compartment back there. So you will notice that here's going to be your convection microwave. It's going to act as your microwave as well as your oven. And then compare that, tie that in with the induction cooktop. Right here. So here's going to be your bathroom. It's a wet bath. So in here you have, of course, the shower head that's coming directly from the sink. You'll have, of course, the standard clothing line that's in every Grech. Show you guys that real quick. So it's going to be you know, clothing line in the bathroom, just so you can hang your guys all your clothes, whatever you guys need to do. And then of course the vent here, just to, you know, vent out some steam from your shower. Now if we walk back here, you will notice one thing that's also a little different about this coach is there actually is no control panel here. So in the Vacanza, the only control panel you have is going to be actually the one up front, okay? But you're still getting, again, the very nice memory foam and ultra leather, you know, ottoman as well as the sofa. And the blinds, another thing that's a little different versus Grech's iconic power shades that come down with a button. For the Vacanza, it's just going to be manual. Okay? And then what I do want to show you guys now is just the bed setup. So just like a lot of these other Grech's, that sofa comes down, the ottomans come together. It makes just shy of a king-size bed, but I want to show you guys what that looks like when it's down. So go right here, guys. Go to home, sofa down. So in this spot, you can actually, of course, leave it just like that in like a twin bed setup, where you have a little alley in the middle. So if, you know, one person gets up in the middle of the night for the other, they're able to kind of just scoot out and go to the bathroom, whatever they need to do. Or if you want that together, all you do is you push those ottomans together with a button. Okay. All right, and then again, guys, when that's together, that is just shy of a king-size bed. Of course, plenty of room for, 2 people, another dog. Whoever's camping with, there's probably enough room for you guys on that bed. So, all right, guys. So, why did Grech come out with the Vacanza? As you can tell, floor plan wise, is actually going to be identical. It mirrors the 19, 24, and 22 feet. So it's going to mirror the Turismo, Torino, and the Strada. So you notice a couple differences that were slight modification, like no screen, different flooring, things like that. But really, what they were trying to achieve is for that customer that's never RV'd before, more of a younger crowd that is still very detail oriented, right? So you're actually able to get inside, be a part of the Grech family, still get that level of attention to detail, the quality, the craftsmanship of a Grech, just not at the cost of again, Strada, Torino, or Turismo. And that's where, the Vacanza sits. That mid-luxury, not super luxury like the, units I just mentioned, but that mid-luxury, but still, again, giving that quality of a Grech. Alrighty, guys, so we are now in the cockpit of the 2026 Vacanza 22-foot. So yeah, we're getting ready to go on the test track here, and I will let you guys know kind of first impressions and what I think. So you're just waiting to head out, and let's do it. So one thing to mention too, I want to just kind of talk to you guys about. I'm not sure if you guys seen the videos, but one big difference between, for example, the Torino, which is their 22-foot, and this Vacanza 22-foot, is the lack of air suspension. Now, of course, those some come with the leaf and springs directly from Mercedes, so you are getting a Mercedes suspension. But very curious to see just how this thing handles in comparison to the Torino that we drove yesterday. Yeah, guys, I mean, to be completely honest, drives as smooth as any other Grech that I've driven between, today and yesterday. And this just kind of show you the upfitting that Grech does on their chassis, even though it doesn't have the air suspension like, the Strada Torino. But still, it just shows the difference. That Grech, just the effort and the attention to detail that Grech puts into these vans. Yeah, I think handles great. It doesn't feel like really top heavy at all. And today's actually super windy. No swaying back and forth. Yeah, guys, this is pretty impressive again for not having that Kelderman air suspension like again the Strada and the Torino. Guys, this is like driving just a super nice Mercedes car, to be honest. And then combined with just the level of comfort between how this thing drives, as well as the ultra leather seating for the passenger, as well as the driver's seat. I could definitely see myself included just driving this thing cross country, no problem. Seats are super comfortable, it handles super well. And honestly, guys, it doesn't feel very sluggish. We hit the gas. That inline 4 with the turbo really is honestly kind of surprisingly a nice powerful motor. It gets up to speed quickly. You don't feel like it's very sluggish. Yeah, I will say pretty impressive, honestly, again, for not having that air suspension. And I will notice one thing too, while I'm driving, especially with a car behind me, having that backup, that rear view mirror with the back camera integrated in it is actually super nice. Just being able to see of course, utilizing your side mirrors as well as that. You have visibility of everything around you, which is awesome. Again, it's the little things like that that really just make a Grech a Grech, right? Yeah, guys, we're heading out to pretty much done with the lap here. Again, last impressions, honestly drives great. Really don't notice a huge difference when it comes to just, hugging those tight corners, getting up to speed. Honestly, just drives like all the other Grechs. Definitely, worth you guys looking into is the Vacanzas. Again, I'm David. I'm with Colton RV Marine. You can reach me at 716-392-2351. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Look forward to hearing back from you guys. All right, bye-bye.